Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to gomahamaya.com. In this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Google Search Console error, that is page indexing issue. Page is indexed but cannot be crawled due to certain issue. So we are going to learn the steps. There's no exact way you can fix your website, but there are steps you can follow it to fix the error. So I'm going to show you two websites. Number one, that is gomahamaya.com. These URLs is not getting indexed by Google. Number two, I'm going to show you that is for the tri-site price, that these URLs are not going to be indexed by the Google. So what is the issue behind it? First we have to know the reason, then only we can fix it. So if I'll go to gomahamaya.com, I can see all these pages which is there inside this crawled currently and not indexed is not relevant. These pages are 404. If I'll open this, you'll come to know that these pages are 404 pages, and these are the images that YouTube is generating for their thumbnails. So these pages are not relevant for me. That's why the Google is not indexing these pages and is showing error for me. So you have to understand which is important for you and which is not important for you. If this is not important, copy this URL, go to remove, place new request and remove the URL. And that error will be fixed permanently. Or you can create a redirect to any of your blog page or a home page. So that is the solution, first solution. Number two, if I'll go to this one, tri-site price, you can see these pages, that is cost price for this particular page, honeybaby.com.au is not indexed. The reason is that because the Google think it like there's no much relevancy for indexing these pages. And apart from that, there's no error on this. So you can if you feel like this is important for you and it should get indexed, you can click on request indexing. Go to I'll take you to another URL. Let's say there's a 7-base open source URL, or the URL which I wrote. I want Google to index it right now. So I'll go to my inspection URL. I'll click here and I'll give my URL. Now Google said it's not detecting the sitemap. Google does not know this URL still exists on my website because just now I wrote it for you people, and you have to click on request indexing. Then Google is going to reindex it in their server and it will be served to the users once you click on the request indexing, if the content of that blog is relevant. So I have written one more blog like this blog. Inside I have added a lot of steps how you can fix it. So you need to go to Search Console and check the error on that particular URL. So here I cannot see any of the errors, and here also if I'll see I couldn't be able to find any errors. But as far I know, these pages are not much relevant. That's why Google is not indexing it. So we'll go for next step, that is check for the no index tag. To teach you understand better, for no indexing tag, I collected two pages like this one. First one is this, and second one is this one. This is third-party website. This is nowhere related to me. I just found it for the tutorial purpose. And here you can see there's a value called content equals to index. This means I'm telling Google to index this particular page. Fix page indexing Search Console error. Okay, and if I'll go to this particular page and if I'll see meta name equals to like content equals to no index no follow, that means Google will not going to index these URLs in the Search Console. So it's better remove this URL. I said you already go this one, go inside the removal and remove those URL if it's not relevant to you. If it's relevant, click on reindex. If it's still Google doesn't reindex your site, we have next point, that is check robot.txt blog. So robot.txt, if it's blocked by robot.txt, it will show you inside in this area that it is blocked by robot.txt file. Go just enter the URL and if you'll check, it will show you the errors. And next option we have is to check for the canonicalization issue and make sure that page does not have multiple URLs which is connected to that content. So if I'll show you some similar issue, Okay, duplicate uh, Google choose different canonical user. So this page is like duplicate, it's having duplicate content, and same like URL is almost same, the data is almost same. In that case, the Google is not going to index that page. Only one page out of that Google will index, rest other pages Google will not index. Next we have is to check the content quality. This is important part of the indexing. If the content quality, I said you this page is not relevant for the Google, the reason is that the content quality is not worth for the Google does not want to index it. However, you can request Google to index it by going to this URL and click on request indexing. Just paste the URL and click on request indexing. It's all up to you. It's all up to the Google. If the URL and the data inside that is plagiarism free, then Google will index it for sure. If it is a duplicate content, you should check the plagiarism part, then you should request Google. If the Google still does not index it, change the content and check whether there was an issue with the content. So plagiarism for the content is really important, and you should avoid the plagiarism and the copy content so that Google can index it, because Google just want to give the credit to the author, which is like working hard. And next we have is to use the search control fetch as to request the index. I said you for re-indexing, just go to this one and click on re-index. The Google is going to re-index it. And next we have is none of the above solution is working, then submit, then remove the URL from the Google. So if these things are not working, then go to removal option and remove the URL, recreate a similar one again by changing some data. Make sure the data is important. So if it is valuable for the user, then only Google is going to allow you to index that particular URL. So I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.